I can provide you with a basic recipe for cereal cookies, a perfect choice for starting the day with energy or for a healthy snack during the afternoon. The ingredients can vary depending on the cereals you prefer or have available. Ingredients: 200 grams of whole wheat flour, 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of soft butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 150 grams of mixed cereals, e.g. oat flakes, chopped dried fruit, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, cornflakes, etc. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, mix the whole wheat flour with the baking powder and a pinch of salt. Add the brown sugar and soft butter and work the mixture with your hands or a mixer until a sandy consistency is obtained. Incorporate the egg and continue to work until you have a uniform dough. Add the mixed cereals to the dough and mix well to distribute them evenly. Take small portions of dough, form balls, and slightly flatten them to shape the cookies. Arrange the cookies on the tray, leaving some space between them. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cookies are golden around the edges. Let them cool on the tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to finish cooling. Did you know? Cereal cookies, besides being tasty, are also rich in fiber and nutrients thanks to the variety of whole ingredients and seeds used in their preparation. They are an excellent way to introduce more variety into your diet and can be easily tailored to your personal preferences by changing the type of cereals or by adding ingredients like dark chocolate chunks or spices like cinnamon.